small life changes that can lead to huge short and long-term benefits. Number 2, adding an extra rinse to your dishes. If you use a rinse agent or dishwasher pod, some recent studies have shed some light on the negative effects alcohol ethoxylates have on our gut biome that are present in just about all name brand dish pods. Research is definitely in its early stages, but I predict it's going to start becoming more well known in the coming years that the chemical residue left from certain dish detergents damage the barriers in our digestive system that lead to liver damage, food allergies, autoimmune diseases, Alzheimer's, and a whole laundry list of other serious chronic illnesses. Especially considering some chemical components in detergents are limited or even banned in Europe as potentially hazardous and carcinogenic materials, yet they are still allowed and used in US products. There are 3 things you can do to avoid these potential health issues in order of effectiveness. 1. Switch to a natural option or a dish detergent that eliminates the use of alcohol ethoxylates. These can be kind of hard to identify and pronounce when you filter through ingredients lists, since they can be categorized under a ton of different names, such as isotridecanol, PEG, PPG, propyltheptyl, or C911-perith. Since there's such a huge list of name varieties for this chemical, avoid anything ending in eth, such as laureth or stereth, anything starting with PEG or PPG, any polysorbates with numerical values, or any words containing polyethylene or polyoxyethylene. Now, if that list of chemicals to avoid sounds a little too lengthy and daunting, method number 2 is just doing a quick rinse of your dishes in the sink prior to using them, preferably with warm or hot water, which is shown to reduce a significant amount of these residual chemicals. And if that sounds a little too time-consuming and tedious to rinse all of your dishes prior to use, method 3 is just adding a standalone additional rinse cycle to your dishes in the dishwasher. This has shown to be slightly less effective than sink rinsing, since there can be an accumulation of these harmful chemicals in your dishwasher if you don't regularly perform deep cleaning and maintenance, but still removes much more residue than just a standard cleaning cycle. While some of these tips may be a little controversial and based on preliminary and limited research information, this is not intended to be fear-mongering in any way and is simply passing along information from emerging studies.